How to change your password on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on TikTok mobile. First, open TikTok and then click profile here and click these three lines and top and click settings and privacy, and now click this one, manage account, and here we'll find password. Just here type verification code, and now just you can change your password easily, any password you want, and click next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.